Looking for an air fryer that makes cooking easier without taking over your kitchen? In this video, we're covering 6 of the best air fryers in 2026, and each one is different in size, features, cooking style, and price. Stay until the end to find the one that fits your needs best, with product tags included for easy buying. Subscribe and help us reach 1 million subscribers for more tech videos. All right, let's get started.
Number 6. Typhur Dome 2 makes everyday cooking simpler, with enough space to handle proper meals instead of just small snacks. Its redesigned airflow and heating system cook food up to 30% faster while browning both sides more evenly, so there's less need to keep flipping things over. The 5.6 QT flat basket fits a 12-inch pizza, up to 32 wings or 2 steaks, while 15 cooking modes cover everything from air frying and baking to pizza, steak, wings, and dehydrating. It runs at a quiet 51 dB, while the ceramic-coated basket stays non-stick, PFAS-free, plus dishwasher-safe, and the top cavity can clean itself through the app. Typhur AI also lets you snap a photo of your ingredients and creates a recipe with the right settings. Less effort in the kitchen, more good food on the table. Number 5. Ninja Foodi XL Pro Grill and Griddle brings serious grilling power, a flat-top griddle, and air frying into one countertop machine made for bigger meals. Its 500-degree F powered grill grate delivers direct heat across the full surface, giving steaks and other food a stronger sear and better char. The 12-inch BBQ griddle adds a flat cooking surface for foods a normal grill cannot handle, from pancakes and sandwiches to a full plate of nachos. Keep the hood open for intense direct heat, or close it to add cyclonic air for faster cooking, crisping, melting, and more even results. The smart thermometer takes the guesswork out of meat, with 4 protein settings and 9 doneness levels from rare to well done. Air frying can use up to 75% less fat than deep frying, thanks to the included 4-quart crisper basket. 7 cooking modes cover grilling, griddling, air crisping, roasting, baking, broiling, and dehydrating. It fits 6 steaks at once, controls smoke with its cooling system, and the ceramic-coated grate, griddle, and basket can all go in the dishwasher. One machine, a whole lot more ways to cook. Number 4. Cosori Lite 4.0 makes everyday air frying feel easy, quick, and a lot less messy. It uses up to 97% less oil than a regular deep fryer, yet still gives you that crispy finish people actually want. The compact design looks clean on the counter and comes in 3 colors, while temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit help food cook in minutes. 5 one-touch presets keep things simple, and the preheat and keep warm functions add a little extra convenience. Even heating technology checks and adjusts heat as it cooks, so the results come out more even and better textured. The non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher-safe and BPA-free, which makes cleanup painless. Through the VSync app, you also get over 150 recipes, plus smart notifications and a shake reminder that tells you when to flip or shake halfway through. Small fryer, smart habits. Number 3. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Oven, a roomy countertop cooker that handles a lot without taking over the kitchen. With air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast modes, it turns out crispy food fast thanks to rapid air heat, and it skips the usual preheat wait. Healthy meals come easy, too, using up to 98% less oil than old-style fryers, while 17 preset choices and a capacitive touchscreen keep the setup simple. Inside, 3 airflow racks, a stainless steel rotisserie spit with retrieval tool, a drip tray, a 10-liter build, interior lights, and a big viewing window make cooking and checking food simple. And the removable tray plus dishwasher-safe parts keep cleanup light. From quick snacks to full family meals, it makes everyday cooking feel simple. Number 2.
Ninja Foodi Dual Zone XL Air Fryer that lets you cook 2 foods 2 ways at once, so dinner moves faster. Dual Zone technology brings smart finish, which makes both zones end together, or match cook, which copies settings across the full 8-quart space. With air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, plus 2 4-quart baskets with their own fans and heaters, it handles mains and sides, up to 4 pounds of fries or wings, 105 degrees to 450 degrees heat, up to 75% less fat, and easy dishwasher-safe cleanup. 2 baskets, 1 easy dinner. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus Dual. A spacious dual-basket air fryer that keeps dinner moving without the usual back and forth. It gives you air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, plus sync cook and sync finish, so both sides can run together when needed. Even Crisp Tech brings a crunchy finish with 95% less oil than deep frying, while the Clear Cook window lets you check food without opening the basket. The 2 baskets handle mains and sides or double portions. The touchscreen keeps every step easy to follow. The 8-quart size fits up to 8 portions, and dishwasher-safe baskets and trays make cleanup simple. Good food, less waiting, and a lot less mess.